In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-convert a cell input into a percentage in Excel. Open Excel on your desktop, then open the workbook you want to use. Once the workbook is visible, click Cell B2. This gives you a clear starting point for the percentage entries you're about to set up. Now select the full range where the automatic percentage behavior should apply. Click Cell B2 if it is not already selected, then hold the Shift key and click Cell B10. Excel highlights the range from B2 through B10, so any formatting you apply next will affect all of those cells at once. Go to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. In the number group, near the middle of the ribbon, click the Percent Style button. This formats the selected cells as percentages before any numbers are entered. If you want the percentages to show 2 decimal places, click the Increase Decimal button twice. The cells may still look empty right now, and that is expected, because there are no values in them yet. Next, confirm that Excel's automatic percent entry setting is turned on. Click File in the top left corner. In the left menu, click Options near the bottom. When the Excel Options window opens, click Advanced in the left panel. Scroll down until you reach the Editing Options section. Look for Enable Automatic Percent Entry, and make sure it has a check mark. Leave it checked, then click OK. This setting tells Excel how to handle whole numbers typed into cells that are already formatted as percentages. With this enabled, typing 50 into a pre-formatted percentage cell is treated as 50%, instead of being converted into 5,000%. Now click Cell B2 again. Type 85 as the first sample score, then press Enter. Excel moves to the next cell in the selected column area. Type 72 as the second score, then press Enter. Because the cell is already using percent style, Excel displays that entry as 72%. Now type 100 as the third score, then press Enter. Excel displays that value as 100%. The displayed values are now 85%, 72%, and 100%. Behind the scenes, Excel stores them as 0.85, 0.72, and 1.00, so they are ready for formulas that use percentage values. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.